Okay, so that logs took a bit of time to refresh. Got some logs here. Um, I'll just quickly jump to the part which I can meaningfully explain in the demo. Um, so reading from bottom up. Um, uh, so there was a new property that was created in Zoho, and Zoho passed on that ID to us, 559411. 559411. That's the ID. And then uh, Copilot started to work on it. It fetched the address information from Zoho. Um, and then it started talking to CoreLogic here, where first it authenticated itself. Um, and it's able to find the property value here. It says 560K, but for some reason it's unable to um, fetch the rental information here. Yeah, so couple of wins, couple of fails. Let's go back here and then refresh the page. So for the same property, which you entered only the basic information, Copilot is able to update the property value here. Um, go back. Yeah, so the lower estimate was 500K and the higher estimate was 624, and that's what you see here. So these values are coming from CoreLogic. Um, yeah, so this part is missing. That's something which I can debug and make it work in production. So that's pretty much the demo for um, CoreLogic. So what next? Okay, so the same pattern of what we spoke now is what we want to see in the lead board. When we want to convert a lead, we want to integrate with DocuSign, and DocuSign, the API there is called send envelope, where we send an email to our lead saying this is the contract, please sign this, so that you send today manually via DocuSign, and the Copilot can do it for you. In fact, that was the first use case which I started working on. But since CoreLogic was slightly familiar to me, I changed directions, and hence we are seeing a CoreLogic demo first for the Copilot. We can further extend this to talk to OpenAI. We've seen some examples which I've shown in the earlier POC, where we can talk to a chat GPT via LLM and then fetch information or pass this information that we have and get some fancy AI response out of it. And then that we can update into our Zoho board with the same flow. Um, yeah, so that's pretty much the progress what has happened during the Easter break. With respect to the boards, it didn't go much because I was blocked with um, DocuSign, and I needed some kind of um, out of box um, feature to be built in. And the more I worked on that, I started building this whole framework for Copilot, which is probably the future of our project. Um, yep. Um, yeah, so I wanted to do a live demo, but I couldn't really finish the work on time. And I know you're busy for the next 3 days. Um, yeah, so that's why a video recording, and this is uh, that's the end. All right, talk to you soon. Thank you.